June 16th, 2022. How's it going, guys? Got another video for you. Had to run down to Langley this morning to take some aluminum cans. And on the way over to Langley, down by Royal Meadows Golf Course, there was a massive amount of Apache helicopters flying overhead. And I'm going to show you that. I'm going to bring that in just a little bit here. You can see them up there. And it's kind of interesting this morning, the way they were flying. Almost like they were doing maneuvers. Just another thing to keep your eyes open for, guys. Oh, and I got one other thing to show you. Last night, hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. Well, we all know 7-Eleven up there by Big Boys. And nothing new or surprising here, but when we pulled up here light, there was a massive amount of Independence police cars with their lights flashing. Look like they got a new, maybe it's a new little paddy wagon or something there. But check this out, guys. Advance it. You can see it all flashing over there. I must stop it real quick. I don't know what happened, but they must have had another incident over there at 7-Eleven last night here. That is just one troubled spot anymore. You really need to be watching that. Hold on, guys. See, there's a car, there's an SUV. There's still a lot of the homeless up there too. What I find interesting is this, if you look at that vehicle, it's right in front of the police car as the police car is going by. See with the different door, I find that interesting. And there's always stuff, people sitting over there doing different things, dealing and everything else. I don't know. Anyway, guys, keep your eyes open and stay safe out there.